Every business has data, but not every business has the time or tools to unlock its potential. Meet API Story AI, your partner in making data insights simple, fast, and accessible. Businesses today struggle with turning data into actionable insights. That's where API Story steps in. Simply upload your data like a Google Sheet or connect a database like MongoDB or Postgres, and we take care of the rest. Our platform's dynamics. Our platform dynamically generates insightful questions and delivers. Our platform dynamically generates insightful questions and delivers the answers, empowering you to make better decisions instantly. Whether it's tracking sales trends, identifying performance gaps, or uncovering new opportunities, API Story AI simplifies analytics into actionable stories. No coding, no jargon, just answers. We empower businesses of all sizes to thrive by making data-driven decisions accessible to everyone, not just technical experts. With API Story AI, data speaks your language. Unlock the stories hidden in your data. Try API Story AI today. Insights made simple.